What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have one of these water softeners that look like this, it's called a high efficiency, and you notice that your salt level is not going down after months and months and you have no soft water, chances are is that your flow meter back here, your flow wheel, stopped counting water and is not registering or sending the signal to the circuit board that you are using water. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that. Should be an easy fix, but first I'll show you how to diagnose if your water softener is counting water or not. So you go to the check mark here. It's going to say information, number 1, information. You're going to hit that. Then you're going to hit check mark. Right there. It's going to say current flow rate is 0 gallons per minute. And then it's going to say today's usage, which is 0 gallons. That is not right. If your water softener is working and you used any water today, it's going to tell you how much gallons you've used. If you see 0, that is a for sure sign that your water softener is not counting your water anymore. So what you need to do is go back to X, go to the home screen. You're going to bypass your unit. Alright, your water softener is bypassed now. Now you're going to depressurize the unit by going check mark. You're going to go down to number 2, check mark, manual regen now. It's going to do a regen, and you must do this. You must depressurize the head or else you're going to have water everywhere. So now you go down to diagnostics, number 6. You're going to hit the check mark. And you're going to go down where it says number 5, motor control. Check mark again. And then you're going to hit check mark again for next cycle. Okay, then you're going to hit next cycle. Next cycle. And then one more time. Cool, now you're in the home position. You're going to press X, X, X till you get to the home screen. Everything is bypassed. The system is now depressurized. Now what you're going to do, you see these 2 pins right here, one here and one here. You're going to remove the pins, this, like that. Next, you're going to disconnect this flow meter cable here that you're looking at, this gray one. From underneath, you just kind of pop it out and then disconnect it. And the next step is you're gonna separate the water softener from the bypass by just tugging. There you go, some more residual water is gonna drop. Can't do anything about that. Give yourself some space. I'm gonna move this brine tank out of the way. There you go. Now you can pull this back, and this housing here is the one on the out. You see the arrow pointing out? That's the one that you're gonna remove. All right, now that you have this coupler out with the white little impeller in there, you just grab the plastic part here, twist it off, and this white impeller just comes out like that. Now you can see the rusted parts here on each end. Those are the magnetic points on the flow wheel. Those magnetic points send the signal to the water softener that you're using water. It's spinning, but when it rusts out, then it no longer can send the signal. This is what your new wheel looks like. You can tell there's no rusted parts. You can get this wheel from your local Culligan. So you throw it in there, and you grab the cover for it. You see that it fits flush, and you basically lock it in place by twisting it on to the right. Now you got a new flow wheel in there. Alright, next you're going to reinstall the flow wheel. As you see here, the arrow is pointing up. You're going to match it with the arrow on the bypass pointing up. And then you're going to stick it in there like this. And then you reconnect your water softener. There you go. Now your locking pins, you can lock that in. You can lock that in. And you reconnect the cable like that. Once you do that, you take it off bypass. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.